I hear that this isn't a concern for you, but it is for me. I hear that this isn't impacting you, but it is impacting me. Can we talk about it a little bit more? Employee to a trusted peer. I raised a concern and was told I'm overreacting. Can you help me assess if this is valid? Do you think I'm overreacting? Does this sound to you like an overreaction? Let me, and then you've got to be able to hear. Here's what I want to share with you. Here's what I feel comfortable sharing. Build external validation and break isolation, right? I'm not the only one who's feeling this way. I'm not the only one that's experiencing this. Other people are experiencing this as well. Therefore, my perception, my intuition, my experience of this is valid. And it's valid even without anyone else being, validating it. Your perception, your intuition, it's valid just because you have it. You don't need external people to tell you that your intuition and your perception is valid. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. I know that's hard to do if you've been gaslighted, but begin there.